If you're in manufacturing and using Salesforce, this story might sound familiar, and it could save your company hundreds of thousands of dollars. A mid-sized US manufacturing company with around 8,000 employees relied on Salesforce Sales Cloud and CPQ to manage sales and quoting. But when their renewal came up, costs were spiraling. Salesforce had quoted them a 15% increase, on top of already ballooning license spend. That's when Redress Compliance stepped in. We conducted a full audit of their Salesforce usage. What did we find? Roughly 200 Sales Cloud licenses and 50 CPQ licenses were completely unused. That's pure shelfware. Money out the door for no return. But it wasn't just about cutting licenses. We helped the client right-size their entire license strategy. About 300 users didn't need full-featured enterprise licenses, so we moved them to lower-cost platform licenses, saving money without losing functionality. We also helped them reduce CPQ users from 300 to 200 by tightening up internal processes, and negotiated with Salesforce to allow that reduction immediately, not at the next cycle. When Salesforce came back with their typical 10% discount, we pushed back hard. Using benchmarks and timing our negotiation to Salesforce's quarter end, we secured nearly 30% off list price. The result? A 25% reduction in total Salesforce costs, $800,000 saved annually, and a contract that's finally aligned with their business. It even includes price protections for future growth and the ability to reduce licenses at the next renewal. If you're worried you're overpaying for Salesforce, you're probably right.